everyone! Thank you for joining me in my channel, Japanese Foodies with Janice, bringing you easy, delicious, budget-friendly recipes into your kitchen. So today, we will be making a very easy and simple recipe, Japanese Chahan, or Japanese fried rice. Please tune in until the end of this video, and I do hope that you try this recipe at home. So let's get started.
There are many ways to cook chahan. You can use any available vegetables in your fridge. We will use sesame oil, onion, pork, leeks or green onion, mixed vegetables, eggs, salt, pepper, ajinomoto, black pepper, sake, and rice. Sprinkle salt on the pork before cutting. I use pork with fats. The fats blend well with cooking oil and it gives chahan a rich taste. It's best to use warm leftover rice. Separate the rice. Don't press it or else it gets mushy. Japanese chahan rice is loose, firm, not soggy or mushy. I usually use sake in my chahan. I don't want my chahan to get too dry. Sake makes the rice a little moist but maintains its firmness. So let's try. I think it needs a little more salt. Perfect. This is benishoga, or pickled ginger. Its sharp, sour flavor offsets the rich taste of chahan. It's ready! Let's eat! Itadakimasu! Yummy! Japanese-style fried rice. Chahan. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I'll be happy to see your comments down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Guran itadaki arigatou gozaimashita. See you next time.